So today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Commander bundle from Avatar: The Last Airbender. So let me show you guys what is in this. So you get 2 out of 10 Magic the Gathering cards from this set here. There's like 3 of the Commander staples that are in here, and then you get 2 other cards. And then you get 9 play boosters. And then, like I said, you get the 3 staples, the Soul Ring, Arcane Signet, and Swiftfoot Boots. And then you get the click wheel here, and then you get lands, and what is this? I also get the card box. That's right. All right, so let's open this up here. Just going to break it open from the bottom. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, but you also get a collector booster in here too, which is the part I'm most excited about. So let's dump this out here. Okay. Anything else in there? You get this cool Katara art. And you got Sokka here as well. Okay, so let's open this up. The box itself is pretty cool. You got Momo, Team Avatar here, Appa on the other side. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Let's put it like that. All right. Opening this part. Nothing really here. So let me find, let's see. Okay, here it is. So here we have the little extra booster. I'm just gonna use this, put it here. So let's open this part up. Like I say, you get the 3 Commander staples in here. And let's see what we pull. I think there's like a couple tutor cards that you could get from this section. So Arcane Signet, Soul Ring, and Swiftfoot Boots. And just the art is pretty fantastic. And let's see what we get here. Okay, Obscuring Haze. If you control your command, you may cast a spell without paying its mana cost. Prevent all damage that will be dealt by creatures your opponents control. Okay, so let's see what we get. Okay, so yeah, we didn't get exactly what we were looking for there. So we'll set those aside. And we have the collector booster right here, so we'll save that for the end. And then we have this life counter here, which is pretty sick. Yeah, no, that's cool. And then we have all of our play boosters. I don't think I'll open all of the play boosters for this video because that'd be pretty long, but let me just show you guys some of the lands that you're going to be getting here. I can actually open it. There we go. All right, so I'm just gonna be going through these pretty quickly here. Some foils, and just these lands here. Okay, yeah, pretty basic. There we go. So we have those. So I'm just gonna set these on top of those right there, and let's open. Let's open 3 of them just to give you guys an idea of what you guys could get. So here's play booster number 1, and then we're going to be opening up the collector booster after we open up 3 of these, just to give you guys a little taste of what you're going to get. Okay, so let us see what we have. An ally token, and I'm going to be going through these fairly quickly as well. Ooh, we have Momo. So the first non-lemur creature spell with flying you cast during each of your turns costs 1 less to cast. When another creature you control with flying enters, this gets +1/+1 until end of turn. 1 drop here is a rare. And we're just gonna go through all the uncommons and commons. I actually did a pre-release. Ooh, this is a really good card for pre-release. So whenever another ally you control enters, put a +1/+1 counter on this creature. And if you have an ally deck, this card could really get buffed up. Super nice. Did I just get 2 of these in 1 pack? Yeah, I did. Okay, got Hollow and then the normal version here. And okay, Vigilance. This land has enters scry 1. And that is pack number 1 with Momo being the rare. Okay, so I'll set that over here. So let's do pack number 2 here. I'm very good at opening packs. whatever breaks first is how I get to open. So we got copy, planes, not sure. Ooh, okay, the moon spirit. This is Sokka's girlfriend that turned into the moon. Has flying, vigilance, waterbend 5, and tap. You may cast a non-creature spell from your hand without paying its mana cost. I mean, you're still paying 5 and tapping this, but I mean, that's still pretty cool. And we have Boomy. Let's see, it's a 4/4. All right, we can't just spend not much time on the uncommons, so otherwise this will be a very, very long video. Let's see, waterbending lesson. Okay. Accurate Butte got this for the pre-release as well, and it's a pretty good card. All right, so then the rare we got for this one was the Moon Spirit. Again, the art of this set is fantastic, and I'm also a huge fan of Avatar: The Last Airbender. Didn't really watch Legend of Korra, but you know, just as a kid, The Last Airbender was a great show. Okay, food token and Azula. Okay, it's just an instant. Target creature gets -1/-1 to end a turn, or you can put a +1/+1 counter on target creature. Oh, okay. I already had like a promo version of this. This is the rare of this one. Each land and ally you control gets tapped to add 1 mana of any color, which, you know, it did come in handy in the pre-release as well. And Toph. Okay, yes. Okay, I was hoping I'd get Toph. When Toph enters, Earthbend 2. So basically you can change a land into a creature, and then you put +1/+1 counters on whatever it says after Earthbend. So you put 2 +1/+1 counters on the land. It's a land, you know, and a creature, and whenever that creature dies, it comes back to the battlefield tapped. Toph's power is equal to the number of +1/+1 counter on lands you control. There you go. Is that, and then 3. Kyoshi Warriors also came in handy. Giant Koi. And Vindictive Warden has been lessened. Okay, so for this one, you know, it wasn't as impressive. There you go. You have this one there. Now, let's open the collector booster. This is probably the reason that you guys would want to buy this bundle. I mean, this plus, you know, the cards that came in that extra set was the reason I decided to pick this up. All right, come on. Let's get that textless card. Hoping for that to happen. Let's see if it does. Ally. Okay. The Selfless Commander. Vigilance. You may look at the top card of your library at any time. You may cast ally spells from the top of your library. Sacrifice this. Creatures you control get +0/+5 and gain indestructible until end of turn. So you can cast that as at instant speed. And, you know, this just takes the hit of all your creatures, which are pretty cool. Okay. So I'm going to put X -1/-1 counters on each creature. Shuffle this into its owner's library. 2 black and X. Airbending Ascension. Okay, yeah, that's not really what I'm looking for. Firelord Ozai. Firelord Azula. Okay, this is something that I wanted. Firebending 2. You're basically just adding extra mana for during your combat steps. That's what firebending is. Whenever you cast a spell with this attacking, copy that spell. You may choose new targets for the copy. And this is basically land. Okay, did not pull what I was hoping to get from the collector booster, but you know, you really had to get lucky to get exactly what you're looking for. Okay, but yeah, I mean, overall, this is what you would expect, and these are the cards that you're primarily going after, just chasing, you know, the art styles of these collector or commander staples, and then, you know, you could potentially get a tutor from them as well, and then the commander. And it's just fun to crack open these packs. But yeah, overall, I am loving the set, and I definitely think it was worth it to pick this up, and I would highly recommend checking it out.